Hi, this video is just to let you know that we are providing development services. So what you can avail, you can get online personal training on programming languages through Skype, Google Meet, or Hangout. What are the different programming languages you can learn through online personal training? So you will be able to learn all these technologies like C, C++, Java, C Sharp, Python, HTML, CSS, and whole stack of JavaScript. And the languages would include all the basics, problem solving, dry running the code, object oriented programming, data structures, and advanced algorithms, including time complexity of each code you will write. And you will be given quizzes, tasks, and assignments. This makes it different from the videos you watch on YouTube that you don't get the quizzes, tasks as assignment from the private personal trainer, but here you will be given these tasks and assignments. At the end, you will be also taught how you can deploy your web or mobile application. Also, if you have an idea or you are a company and you want us to build a complete mobile and web app, we are also providing services for building a complete product for you. It includes front end, back end, and databases. The technologies we will be using for building your applications would include whole JavaScript stack, including mean and merge stack development, Python, Java. For databases, we will use SQL and NoSQL databases. At the end, we will deploy your applications on the server. So are you ready? If you want us to build your app and you want us to give you personal training through Skype, Google Meet, or Hangout, you can contact us through email, through LinkedIn, or just by commenting below, and we will contact you back. I will also be giving these details in the description of this video. Once you contact us, we will let you know what are the different packages we have for you.